Portions of Marawi City seem like a ghost town in the early hours of Thursday. 3 days into the crisis, few civilians brave the streets, unmindful of the dangers from some armed men believed to be members of Maute Group still in defensive mode. Sounds of gunfire break the morning silence, a sign that the crisis is far from over. Military choppers over the city, preparing for airstrikes.
Very fluid, very dynamic. Yung movement po ng local terrorist group ay hindi po fix, no? Nagmo-move sila. So ganun din tayo. No, yung armed forces natin is kailangan din mag-reposition.
Then a plume of smoke as fighting rages. So firefight continues here in Marawi City, and we can still hear gunshots from that area. That's roughly a kilometer away from the provincial capital of Lanao del Sur. So that's Barangay Basak over there. You can see that gray smoke, dark gray smoke coming from that area. Authorities are still going after up to 40 Maute members holed up in 3 villages. According to intelligence information, Abu Sayyaf leader and ISIS supporter Isnilon Hapilon is still in the area.
Tuloy-tuloy ng pag-build ng information o yung tinatawag nating intelligence information. Ang sabi po ng mga community dito, no, yung mga partners natin, nandito pa daw siya sa area. Kaya tuloy-tuloy po yung focus military operations natin.
Military forces advance cautiously in a guerrilla warfare, mindful of civilians who may be caught in the crossfire.
Pag target area po yan, mas maganda po na umalis sila, pumunta sila sa mga safe places.
Clashes here in Marawi may drag on for days, but government troops are aiming to flush out the terrorists as soon as possible, so the once peaceful city can get back on its feet.
That's our George Cahilas reporting from Marawi.